Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to make a paper rose. So I'm telling you the things that you will need. So firstly we will need a pink color A4 size sheet, or you can choose any color. I have choose pink color, and a green color sheet for the stem and the leaves, and scissors, a stick, and Fevicol. So let's begin to make our paper rose. So this is our sheet. We will first fold it in half. Okay, so I have folded it. Now we will open it and we will fold it from like this triangle. We have to make a square sheet out of this, so we need to make a triangle like this so that it turned out to a square sheet. So let's do this. And now we have to cut the remaining this triangle part, rectangle part, like this. So let's cut it. Okay, so now I have cutted it. Now open the triangle sheet. Firstly cut the edges. If you are having some edges, cut the edges so that it looks neat and clean. Okay, so now we have to open it, and then we have to fold it in half. We have to fold this square sheet in half. And we will another fold it into half. So look, it will become a square. We need 4 boxes, so we will cut these now. We will open it and cut it so that we will get 4 boxes. So let's cut it. And now we will cut the boxes. Okay, so here is my 2 boxes and my another 2 square. Okay, so we now have 4 squares. So I will keep them aside. So for this, take 1 square, then fold it into triangle. Fold it into triangle. And then fold it another triangle. Fold it into another triangle. And now another triangle, fold it into another triangle, and then another triangle. So not another triangle, only this much. Okay, so let's cut this. Let's cut it as a shape of petals. So look, here are my petals, and we will cut the bottom of this. Okay, so when you will open this, your petals will look like this. Okay, sometimes it happens mistake that your all the petals are tore apart, but don't worry. So here are my all the flowers of my four squares. And so firstly I'm taking the first flower and I will cut one petal from it. Okay, one petal from it. Then second flower, then take second flower and cut two petals from it. Cut two petals, not one, two petals. So, and then take the third flower and cut three petals, three petals from it. And then take the fourth petal and cut four petals from it. So we have now so many petals. So let's take the stick and we will wrap this stick with the green paper. In the green paper, we will wrap this stick in the green paper. So you can also wrap this. You can also wrap this stem with the green tape or origami sheet also. Origami sheet will suit the best, or you can choose anything. So I have chosen sheet, so I'm folding this. Okay, so now let's take the third three petals and wrap it around a stick. We will wrap it around a stick. So like this. But firstly we need to add the glue. I'm just taking the outlines. Okay, so let's first add the glue on the sides. Firstly here and then here also. Okay, so now take the stick and wrap the three petals around the stick like this. Like this around, wrap it. Okay, and so I have wrapped it. Okay, make it sure that it is fully wrapped. So now here it is. So now take another four petal and glue one side of it and fold it like a cone. Fold it like a cone. Stick it to the end of the petal, another petal, and wrap it. Okay, and now here it is my second petal. I'm also wrapping it. This is the petal of 2. You have to wrap all the petals you have. You have to wrap all the petals. Okay, so now I will stick the third petal, not the third, the second, the two petals, and this is the petal. Like this, do it like this. You don't need glue to stick this, okay? So now you have to take the fifth petal, which has 5 petals, not 5, 4 petals which have, and stick them also. I'm cutting the edges bigger because my stem is a little bigger, so I'm cutting it. Okay, and now I will go around this also, this petal also. Okay, so here and this petal also. And do this also. So here it is, the rose is ready. You can add the leaf also. Okay, it's your choice if you want to add the leaf or not. So our rose is ready. So bye bye friends. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.